drone registration for a tourist or a foreigner for Thailand, the easiest way is to go to a company called FEIC and purchase their insurance for flying a drone. It's about $35. So when you've done that, you will be sent links with your email, or you can go through the website and they will help you with the registration procedure for the drone. You have to take a few photos, fill in a few details, serial numbers, and once you've done that and you've paid another $32, they will help you with the registration. It can take a bit of time. You're better off applying 2 weeks before. After you've purchased the drone insurance, the first step is the CAAT registration, the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. That can take a week. That took me about a week. And when you arrive, as soon as you arrive through passport control, you can send them a photo of your visa stamp when you've arrived, and that is for the second registration process, the NBTC. That's the second part of the registration. For me, that was really quick. I landed about 7 o'clock in the evening, and by the next day about 4 p.m. I had already received the certificate. So with the daylight, it was a little bit cloudy, but I just found a 32 ND filter was fine. When the drone is set on auto exposure, it was automatically going to 6 on the stops, so it's perfect. So a little bit cloudy, but really bright and really hot. I mean, it had no problems. And within a day I'm flying.